Hello, my name is Laura McMann and I'm the Executive Chef here at Bethlehem Area School District. Today I'd like to prepare for you a very simple, easy chicken tikka masala dish. It's an Indian classic dish and we have our own spin, a little healthier version on the recipe. So I'm going to walk you through a very simple recipe that we're going to feature in the middle of October at our secondary schools. So starting with the base of our sauce, very simple. 2 cups of tomato puree, I already have scaled out here in a bowl. And then there's a wide variety of seasonings here. It gives it a lot of flavor. So all these flavors together, very aromatic, very flavorful. You'll notice there's no fats in this dish. So we're just gonna go ahead and start mixing everything right into this bowl. All right. And then you see we already have our chicken scaled out, nice white meat, lean chicken breast, right in the bowl. And then our chickpeas. You're gonna wanna wash these, rinse them, and then we scaled these out. These 2 pounds, 11 ounces in this recipe. So while that's cooking, this is gonna be the top to our tikka masala. This is a little chopped tomato, little diced cucumber, real simple. In the bowl together, we're just making a real simple tomato cucumber salad. It's not your traditional one, this is just a real light blend of the tomato, the cucumber, and then we're just gonna add a little bit of ginger. Ginger is really strong, so you just need a little bit. This is 1/8 of a teaspoon. You have 3/4 cup tomato and 3/4 cup of your cucumber. Just a real light toss. Bring that together. You're gonna let that set while the main entree is cooking, so those flavors develop together. This will be a little garnish on top. All right, well here you have it. Our rice is finished. This was 30 minutes in the steamer, our brown rice. And here we have our lovely chicken and chickpea mixture that we made earlier out of the steamer, piping hot. Remember, you want to cook that to 165. And then we're going to start to plate the dish. So each student will get 1 full cup of rice. We're going to put that as the base in our bowl. And spread the rice out there. And then they get a nice scoop of the chicken mixture. See all those chickpeas and the nice chunks of chicken right over the top. And then we'll move on to our cucumber salad. This will just give the dish a little contrast, a little crunch, a little texture. Right over the top. And then here we just have a plain yogurt. You don't want to use vanilla, just use plain. And this is going to be our little garnish over the top. Right over the top. Nice little dollop. And then we're going to finish the dish with a tablespoon of chopped cilantro. Sprinkle that over the top. And there you have it. Very simple, delicious, healthy. Our chicken tikka masala. This will be featured on our menu in mid-October in all of our secondary schools. Enjoy.